Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the question which I have written on the whiteboard. Given x square plus y square divided by x square minus y square equals to 17 by 8. Here we need to find the ratio of x to y. Then we need to find the value of x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube. Let's write down the given expression. So, and find the ratio of x to y first. So just cross multiply and solve. So if we cross multiply, we'll get 8 times of x square plus y square equals to 17 times of x square minus y square. So if we distribute this, which means if we expand this, we'll get 8x square plus 8y square equals to 17x square minus 17y square. Now move x terms to one side and y terms to other side. So we'll get 17x square minus 8x square equals to 17y square plus 8y square. We'll get 9x square equals to 25y square. So which can be written as x square divided by y square equals to 25 by 9. Now take a square root on both sides and find the ratio of x to y. If you take a square root on both sides, we will get square root of x square becomes x, square root of y square becomes y, square root of 25 becomes 5, square root of 9 becomes 3. So finally we'll get x by y equals to 5 by 3. So which means the ratio of x to y is 5 to 3. Now let's move to the next part of the question, which is find the value of x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube. We got x by y equals to 5 by 3. So if you take cube on both sides, like x cube divided by y cube equals to 5 cube divided by 3 cube. 5 cube becomes 125, 3 cube becomes 27. So x cube divided by y cube equals to 125 divided by 27. So x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube becomes 125 plus 27 divided by 125 minus 27. So which is 152 divided by 98. So if we simplify this, we'll get x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube equals to, so both are divisible by 3. So if we divide 152 by 2, we'll get 76, and 98 by 2 is 49. So we can conclude that the value of x cube plus y cube divided by x cube minus y cube is 76 by 49. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.